Okay, hey you guys, welcome to Love Law with Brandis. So I thought that today would be a good time to just kind of do what I'm gonna call like a nap vlog. So Bryson is upstairs sleeping right now. It's about 1:32 and I just thought it'd be nice to kind of take you with me this next hour or two or whatever we have and just kind of take you along. I guess I'll go ahead and show you a couple things. First thing is that it's pretty rainy outside. It's a pretty rainy day. I was just eating my lunch, so I had some tacos. And here in Illinois, I don't know, this is definitely the first consistent year I've been doing this, but I use one of these sun lamps because I really believe that it just helps me have more energy during the winter months. So I use this nature bright light that I have been enjoying. I've had it for like years now, and I would say like with kids, like I've used it on and off, and this is probably like the first consistent year that I've actually been using it a lot more. So I want to go ahead and I think just tidy up the kitchen first, and then I wanted to share with you my little mudroom and just a few things that I did to it. I did that on Insta stories, but I'm gonna go ahead and share it with you too. So I think right now I'm just gonna go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned and in order first. All right, so basically that was just a quick clean, and it probably took me like, I don't know, probably like just 10 minutes just to kind of get the table cleared and then to get the counters cleared and then to just kind of like vacuum up a little bit. So right now, what I wanted to go ahead and show you was my mudroom, just have a little chat with you about that. So I guess to give you some background about just like what is going on with my home, because I haven't really been able to like sit down and talk with you guys. So this is more of an informal video compared to maybe some of my other videos, but we're getting our basement redone, and the basement started probably in it was around September. And so, I mean, everything is packed away in the garage, and our dining room is occupied with a lot of things like a TV stand that we moved from our family room into there that's going to be going into the basement, and just a lot of things are in flux. So so I haven't been doing a lot with the home. I haven't been you know, decorating like I normally do, and it's okay. It's taught me a lot, and I think I'll probably do a separate video on that one day. But right now, one room that I feel I was able to dedicate some time to just to kind of refresh and just update a little bit is our mudroom. So I wanted to go ahead and share that with you. And this is our mudroom right here. And I just wanted to share some things with you. It's so small, so it's hard to kind of share everything here. You're gonna do it yourself? Okay, go ahead. All right, you gotta go back. Sometime I get to come to my bedroom. Yeah. Okay, good night. Probably going to be losing his nap soon. I don't know, but this is where I think we are at right now. A lot of darkness. I just felt like the space was super, super dark. And now I'm going to show you what I can. So first thing we did is we updated and we got a carpet. I got this from Home Goods. We used to have a black carpet, and I really liked this. I liked the print. I liked just the more softness of it, the lighter color, just to kind of light up this space. We had a bunch of just old frames from where we used to live in Chicago, and I had them up here, but I took them all down. I was debating to put something on this wall. This is where like I keep my Aldi bags and my coat, and then all my kids' stuff is out the door. But I'm not gonna put anything here because I like this space to be just opened. Another update that I did, we have our washer and dryer here, is I used to have like a black carpet because we always like to put things on here, but I added this white carpet and I got this from Home Goods as well. So this has been working out well. We keep this laundry bin here in case there's quick things that I need to throw in here or my husband needs to throw in. We have a place to put it. This bag I really, really liked. This kind of gold color. I thought it was really, you know, I love gold. I love gold and white. And this was so, so very pretty. And in here we have, you know, some of my hats and gloves and scarves and some of my husband's, and you know, we were getting a lot of snow, so his shoveling clothes are in here too, so it's easily accessible. And in the summer, this will be a bin where we, you know, kind of just put random things in there that we need to kind of drop off. So kind of like a drop off zone. We've always had the shoe rack here, so this is nice. We had our handyman build this because I'm not handy. And then one thing that I really liked was to really use this space above our cabinets. So we have these cabinets that are right above our washer and dryer. And I like that we can use this space to make it decorative, but then this is stuff that I actually will use and I'll pull down. So I like freeing up space in the dining room and my dining room cabinets for this. So we have my cake stand that I got from Home Goods a long, long time ago. I always use that for birthday parties. And anytime we have like cakes, I have a plant here to just add some, you know, green to this room. And then I have this gold kind of bowl that I would maybe do like grapes and cheese or grapes and crackers or things like that if we have get-togethers. So I have that there and I'll be able to pull these down when we need them. And then over here, I was able to find this basket because lately I have been housing cups from Costco, these like white cups. And now I have an actual place to store them. And then when the kids need them, I can just go ahead and pull them from there. Over here, I have this little pink chair, and this is always where my backpack goes. This is like my mom bag, so that's where that always goes. And then over here, I still haven't quite figured out what to do with this stuff, but we have like, you know, our Swiffer, and we have other cleaning utensils here and some aprons or whatever. I really don't know where else to put these. I guess I could put them outside potentially, like in a big bin of sorts. Maybe that's something I'll do later and like put it out on the side just to kind of clear up this space. So we'll see. As I'm doing this video, I'm thinking of ideas. I think here we have this kawaii sign that I've had for a long, I got this in Hawaii when my husband and I went on our 10-year anniversary. And I think I want to take this down because like I said, all my summer stuff is still up because that's when our basement started getting done. So that was like the last decor that I had. But I think I want to get like a green wreath and put it right here on the door. I think that would be good. And then over here, I've had these things. So we had this little sign from Hobby Lobby and this cross from Hobby Lobby. And then our Dyson we were able to put behind the wall right here. So it kind of is hidden, which is nice from the door. And then this shoe rack I used a lot when the kids were younger. We're not using it as much. I don't know what I'm gonna end up doing with it, if I'm gonna, you know, bring it downstairs to the basement and make it more visible so they can actually use it. We shall see. To make it better, I actually feel really good as I come into the room. This, see if it can focus. I don't know, but it's a Merlot and black currant spray. I'm gonna spray it now. And it just, I don't know, it smells good. It's nice to have a mudroom that smells good and doesn't smell like a bunch of shoes or whatever. So it's kind of fun. So I just come in here and I spray and it makes me happy. And I think I got this from Home Goods too. So just my plan of the day, and I have a video of how I use my planner. I'll go ahead and link that. But basically, like, we've done this side, okay, and Bryson is supposed to be napping right now. And so there's other things on my to-do list, and I kind of figure out what is priority for me. But my main priority is to do my one goal of the day. So basically it's like if nothing else gets done, I need to make sure that I do that one goal. And this will be in my planner. It'll also be on the side on my, this is kind of like, this is the sheet that I do the night before to kind of plan out my day. So I'm gonna go ahead and meal plan for next week. I normally do like a Wednesday to a Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. it's about 2 o'clock right now, so I think I have some time to prep for my workshop that I've been doing with a women's group. I'm just gonna kind of sift through it. I did some planning already. I'm basically gonna look at my PowerPoint. I'm gonna sift through like my plan and just have that up to date, print out anything that I need to print out, and have that completed. Right now what I'm doing is I just finished lesson planning for the workshop that I'm going to be doing. I do this every Thursday, and it's practice for me. I would love to do workshops in the future with women, and it uses my Climb series. It's a guided journal workshop. I'll go ahead and put a card up below, but it uses that, and it's something that I'm able to do with women, and it's a guided journaling workshop, which I have been absolutely loving. So right now I finished my lesson plan, I finished my PowerPoint, and I want to go ahead and show that to you just so you kind of get a little bit of an idea. And I, appreciate your prayers. I know that on one of my first vlogs before I started in last August, I had a lot of people praying for me, so I really appreciate that, and I'm just continuing to go with it because I'm having a great time. But I want to show you what I went ahead and just did. So this is my, this is the PowerPoint. So this is what the ladies are going to be seeing. And basically, I just always have, whatever theme we're going to be doing that day. And we might go through what we did last week. A lot of this would look familiar if you are familiar with the Climb on this channel. We'll get up and we'll do activities together to kind of review from the last week. And then we'll sit down and we might listen to a song, or there might be something that we do to get into the mood to write. And then we get into writing and we get into the whatever the new theme will be. So this week the new theme is I will keep moving toward my target. And then we go into, I'm using the book The Alchemist as my inspiration. So whatever quotes that I have, I'll go ahead and put that on the screen. We'll kind of, let that simmer down. I'll accompany that with some type of a Bible verse that I feel, goes with the theme. And then we have think time questions. You'd have to be in a workshop to really get the real feel. But we think about these questions, they might write them down. And then it's really time to write. And I set a timer for about 7 minutes. And the women really just focus in and they write, and they really, I think, tune in with the Holy Spirit. And I really, teach the women to not judge their writing, to not feel like anybody's grading it, and to just go for it. And we have so many wonderful insights. And then we get into whatever our action step is going to be for that week. And then I'll print out a piece of paper that I will give to them, whatever their action step is going to be for that week. Go ahead and just call it a vlog here. I have maybe about a half an hour, and I think I'm going to enjoy the rest of my time. I'm going to make a 1-minute mug cake, and I'll have to share that with you guys one time. Maybe I'll have time to share that with you at the end of this video. But it's a great little treat that takes no time at all. It's super, super simple. I'm gonna eat that and enjoy and relax and rest a little bit before Bryson wakes up. I want to encourage you to give this video a like if you like it, and if you'd like to see some more vlogish type videos, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Love Above All with Brandis, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.